Here are the pieces to the Modox windshield assembly. You have the windshield itself, 2 support bars, and 4 pins. Something to take note on these pieces, these are for when installing the soft top system, so ensure these are towards the back side of the machine. So if this were the rear of the machine, these would be facing the outside. On the bottom of the windshield, you'll notice there are 2 pins here, one on the left, one on the right. Top mounting brackets, one on the left, one on the right. On the machine itself, you have a spoil board. That's the piece that runs across the top of the body. Now the spoil board has a mounting hole, one on the left side, one on the right side. So what we're going to do is take the windshield, set it down on top, and the pins that dangle from the windshield, we'll push those through each hole. Then the support bars will go on the top of the windshield and mount to the top of the roll bar up here. If you ever find any difficulty in having both pins line up between the windshield and the spoil board, just remember that this is plastic and it can expand and shrink with temperature changes. These are all put together at about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so if it's very cold outside, this bottom piece can actually shrink a little bit, and if it's too hot, it can be pushed out a little bit. So keep inside a climate controlled environment and it should come together pretty easy. To remove the windshield assembly on the Modox, again, very simple. So the first thing that you'd want to do is take apart, if you have a windshield wiper, simply pull this up. There's a nut locked into the casting of the wiper, and on the other side is an Allen bolt. Simply take an Allen wrench, loosen that, and then this whole wiper will slide right off. For the sake of the video, we are going to leave this on, but you can simply push this back down, and then we're going to pull it away from the windshield. We'll remove the 2 clips, one on the left side of the machine, one on the right side. At the top, the 2 bars have 2 clips each, one at the front of the windshield on each side, one on the roll bar on each side.